Create database manually.
Create a database manually. The first thing you want to do is go copy the script of one of your existing database to your desktop.
Okay.
So what you're gonna do is you go to your desktop. For example, like me, on my desktop I've created a location here called what? One second. On my desktop I have something called
That's your desktop.
Yeah, this is my desktop. On my desktop I have something here called TLS DMO scripts. You see right here?
Yep.
So that's where I copied my scripts at. But I took these scripts from an existing database. I copied them. I don't know if you remember how to copy them. So what you do is, let me just do it all over. You probably want to restart it. Sorry.
Go to U01.
You go to /U01 app Oracle.
Okay.
Admin.
Okay.
Let's use TLS DMO. And then you click on scripts. You see the scripts in there.
Okay.
So what you want to do, you want to copy all these scripts. You want to highlight. So if I was to copy them to my desktop, I'll click Control A. Control A will copy everything.
Yep.
Assuming that I've already created a location on my desktop that I wanted to create there, I will be in that location. And that location should be empty. Right? So I would right click on this and carry them and paste them there. But we already have it, so I don't want to do it again. Right? So when you do that, what you want to do is now come to them. Click on the scripts, the ones you have.
This one.
Yes, click on it. What you want to do now is you want to edit this. You will have to edit these scripts to the name of the new database that you want to create. You have to edit the scripts inside and edit the scripts outside.
Okay.
So you have already done that. Now you want to make sure that you go back to admin
and
then create a new directory.
Go to admin.
Yes, create a new directory. Yes.
And call it banana.
Call it banana. In caps. Banana is NANANA. Okay. Banana. You click on OK. So when you click banana, you double click on banana.
But my banana is not okay. Double click on banana.
Yes, click on banana. You want to go in there, click on new, click create new directory.
Yep.
You want to call it scripts.
The new directory, create scripts. Okay.
And then you want to create another new directory called Adam.
Okay. Scripts. Another new directory called Adam. Okay.
When you do that, okay. When you do that, when you create a new
Okay, go.
So you want to double click on scripts because these scripts, right?
They're empty.
They're empty. So when you double click on it, it's gonna open. Yes.
That's my phone. What?
It's not something.
No.
So what you want to do is double click on the script. You see there's empty, there's nothing in there. The reason is why we want to use these scripts. We want to use these scripts
to create
the new database that we're trying to create.
Yep.
So what we want to do is, since we created banana, what you want to do is you want to click each and every one of these scripts and double click on them and change everything in the inside to banana. So when you see there, you see a database was created called Desmond. So you see Desmond everywhere.
Okay.
So in your case,
we gotta
So
edit.
what you want to do is you want to double click on each and every one of this clip. Script. Click on the first one. Just
go. Yeah.
Change everything inside. So when you go inside, what you want to do is click at the top there where it says change. So yes.
Replace all.
Click on it where it says replace. Yes. So you want to type the name of the database you're working with right now. So there's more. The name of the database that is in there.
Yeah, church.
Okay, you want to type church, and then at the bottom you want to change it to what?
To banana.
Banana. Right. After you do that, you want to click on replace all.
Okay.
It will tell you that 26 something at 4 replace for you is good.
Yeah, I have 4.
So what you want to do is save it.
Make sure you save it.
Make sure as soon as you're done, save it before you even exit that little screen.
Okay.
Yes, when you're done, you close this one, the first one.
Go to the second one.
Go to the second one.
Do the same thing.
Do the same goddamn thing. Replace all. So you want to do total replacement. 3. I have 3. Okay. So I replace everything. Replace all just for goodness sake. Okay, couldn't find this one. I already did it. So the first thing you want to do is save it. You save it, and then you close it. So just go ahead and double click on each and every one of them and change the name to the present the database that you're creating right now.
Yeah, when you do the first one, the machine already automatically recognize.
Yes.
Then just make sure you double click, make sure that you change all.
Make sure you change all, and make sure you also double check. When you save it, make sure that you look through and make sure that it's changed everything.
Yeah.
Because like I said, these are just scripts that is gonna use to run to create your new database.
Okay, exactly. If you gotta make sure, if he tell you find 1, you gotta make sure that 1 is changed, and then you save it. Okay. Okay. Keep going.
Yeah, just keep going.
Save all the modification.
Just make sure you're pretty confident in what you're doing. If you're not sure, you can always go back and double check.
Yep. The thing is that it's better to double check.
Yeah. It's always better to double check, as a matter of fact. And always double check and make sure that you save everything, because sometimes
when you forget to save it,
you will not change anything.
You will not change anything. Okay, I got you.
Replace all. So it was only one thing that was replacing there.
Okay.
Just make sure this is one of the very important parts of recreating your database, using a already ongoing database script to create a new one. So you want to make sure that everything that you're changing is reflecting your new database.
If you think this is not like, this doesn't sound like a cloning, because we are using another database to create this one.
It's the same like cloning.
Okay.
It's the same like, but cloning is quite different.
Yeah, because cloning you gotta get all the this, you just create an empty database.
Right.
But with the cloning you got everything. From one database to another one.
You're using you're backing up the files. The files. You're backing up. You're copying the database and changing the name, and you're backing up the files to another location, and you're shutting down your database. There's a lot going on.
Exactly.
With cloning.
So we gotta, okay. I'm trying to double check for 1 minute. Make sure everything have been changed. Because it's one of the main part.
Yeah, after you're done with this,
database manually creating. So I want to make sure I have my new database name. Okay, next step gonna be we double check everything correct, look good. Okay, next step we gotta highlight and copy these scripts to the
change. You've changed everything inside. What you
Yeah.
want to do is change everything outside as well.
okay.
So everything that says, just click anywhere. Click anywhere. So everything that says church, you see church there, you want to change. Like over here for me, I was talking to my partner there. Over here for me, you see when I say change everything the outside, where you see it says desmond.sh, I want to change it to banana.sh because that's the new database I'm creating. Over here where it says Desmond as well, over here where it says init, that's my P file.
Okay.
So I want to make sure that the new file, my new P file is reflecting the name of my new database.
Okay.
So what we want to do is right click on it and then click rename and change that to banana.
You could just highlight it and then just write right away. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
When you highlight it, highlight only church or whatever the name is, the database is, and then you could change it. You'll be able to change it. Yeah, in this case we're gonna have three scripts to edit the names. Alright? I got 3. How many you got? You got 3 as well.
I got 3 as well.
Okay. And then we gotta highlight. We gotta copy.
So init banana. So you want to do is Control A. And then carry everything.
Drag it.
Carry everything and drop them into scripts.
Drag it and drop them to the server. Scripts. And then it's copied it.
It's gonna load and copy, and you want to make sure that everything looks the same. You know, after that process is done, you are good. So now the next thing you want to go is go to your /or data and create a location there that reflects this new database.
Then we gotta point this database to Aura data.
So your Aura data will be at etc.
So etc.
Yeah. etc. Aura data.
Is it etc? I think etc is etc Aura tab.
I mean, I was talking about Aura tab. I said Aura data.
Aura tab.
Yes, you want to go to your Aura tab.
Yeah, it's all the way at the bottom. Somewhere at the bottom. Yeah.
So what you want to do is copy one of the lines of the database that you had created before.
When you get to
And
Aura
change the
data, what
name
do? You open the Aura data.
You open it Double
Alright,
click
tab.
on it. Alright, tab, pardon me.
Okay.
So what you want to do is make
Co-
a copy of church, everything that says. So
Yeah.
copy it.
And paste it on the bottom.
Yes. Copy, paste it, change the name to reflect your new database.
What is Aura tab?
Aura tab contains the location of your it contains the location of your database. Like if you don't have an Aura tab, you won't be able to get into SQL.
Okay.
To do your stuff. Yeah. So when you're done, you want to make sure that you save it.
Change the name with the banana. Make sure you save it. Okay.
You close it.
Then we came over here just to create banana in Aura tab. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
So after that, 1 second there, please. So after that is done.
Open Puri.
Okay, the next thing you want to do is open Putty and type the location of the new database. So it will be slash u01 slash app slash oracle slash admin slash the name of the database, in our case was banana, slash scripts, because what you want to do is run those scripts.
Okay. Open
Yes,
Puri,
you
go
wanna-
to SQL.
You want to open Putty and make sure that
Okay, sometime when you take longer, when you come back to your Puri, you will be inactive. You gotta sign in again. Oracle.
so let me change the color of this thing so people are able to see. Appearance change. Leave it on 14. Okay. Colors. I want to change default background modify. I want to put it on black. Okay, default background. I want to modify, put it on white. Okay, and apply. So I just changed the color of the party. So like I said, the location will be slash use cd. You want to change to that directory, so it'll be cd slash u01 slash app oracle admin, the name of my new database. In my
Okay,
case,
you want to change the
is,
direction to go to
in my case will be banana
U001
banana
slash app
script
slash oracle
no such file as this.
slash scripts.
But anyways,
Okay, we got it
you go to
listed.
the location, you want to list it. After you list it, you want to change the permissions.
Okay.
You want to give it right now. You see on the far left, the permissions are read write. There are three type of users. We have the end tiers. We have three type of users. So the first type of user have the permission to read write. They cannot execute. The other type of users can read, cannot write, cannot execute, and our end tier users cannot read, write, and execute. So we want to change the permissions. So what I would do is the command is chmod.
Command is a chmod.
Chmod space So 7 is the highest level of permissions, which is read, write, execute. And 6 is read, write, cannot execute, and 5 is read, cannot execute, cannot write, can execute. And then 4 is can read only, you cannot write, cannot execute. So in my situation, I want to give it the 775, which is my first two type of users can read, write, execute, but my end users can only read and execute, but they cannot write. So that's 775. And what I want to do, I want to give it to all of them. I want to give this permissions to all of this right here. So
okay,
when I do small 775 star,
you do space before star.
yes, you do space before star.
Do space star. Yeah.
Okay, you put a star. What you want to do is press enter.
Press
So
enter.
it should tell you that it's changed it. Now what you want to do is you want to change from DOS to Unix.
Okay, from the DOS to Unix.
So the command is DOS number 2.
Okay.
And you type Unix. Then you put space star. Computer is slow.
Unix space star.
So after that you DOS to Unix star. So that star simply means everything.
Everything.
So you press enter, it will show you something like this, and then you list everything again. It will show you something like this. So what you want to do, you want to run the script.sh,
and then you should be able, when you list, you should be able to see banana in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you want to run the script sh. So the command to run a script using our putty is /. It's just like pressing a play button with music.
But we need to exit from here, right?
No, you don't exit. So all you do is /banana.sh.
/banana
Banana.
capital letter.
Banana
Who is the name of the database.
.sh, and you press enter.
SH is not the caps.
It is small letters. So it's gonna ask you for the password of system.
You should add this instance.
So it's gonna ask you for the password of system. You want to put the password that you know for system. So in my case, I will put my password.
Okay.
So that's
yeah, again.
Ask for the password system again. Password again, yeah.
This is a safety.
Yeah, safety.
You want to make sure.
It's just gonna run. Then if it shows that, let me see, if it shows that little thing, then you know it will run.
Yeah, it's running.
Okay, that's good. So it's gonna run and run and run and run and run. It's gonna execute that script. So what you want to do is, I'm trying to create a connection for my 2-tier users. So in my case here, I will go to my C drive. Go to application, go to product,
go to apps,
click on networks, and then you click on admin. I want to drag my TNS names.
This is apps, right? This one.
Is that your C drive?
Yeah, this is C drive.
Okay, click on application. Click on click on click on product. Click on click on client, yes. Type N, that's for network. N.
For network.
There's
Yes.
network up there. Click on it. So click on admin. Okay, minimize that page. What are your TNS names?
C'est right.
That's what you named them? Let me look at mine.
How you look?
I saved mine as TNS names. This is it right here. So that's my TNS names. I don't know what you say. Just drag it to your desktop. Let's see. Oh, that's it. Close it. So I'll advise you to rename it. You just type TNS names. I mean, if you recognize it like that, delete the last. TNS names is good. Does that mean? Yes, TNS names is good. No, you have to drag it to your server. You are trying to do it. No, close it, cancel. Okay, you have to drag it to your desktop before you can change it. So hold it, drag it to anywhere on your desktop. So what I want to do is make a copy of one of this. Copy it. Control C is to copy.
Yeah.
And I want to paste it just right underneath that one. So right here, see, I had a previous database that I created later on, and I call it Candy. So now I like to change this Candy to my banana. Pull off.
Enter the value data file. Okay.
So as you can see, the database has been created. Let me just change the color here so that change settings, color default background. I want to put it to black, and default background I want to put it to white. So apply. I didn't change the size, it's fine. So what I did is it's pull off, so it's telling me it's done. So what I want to do is I already went and created TNS names for it. So I just want to TNS ping it to make sure that it's there. It's definitely there, but I just want to do that. So I want to look for command line, command prompt. So I want to do TNS ping space the name of the database, which is banana, and enter. It's going to tell you the address, the port number, the protocol, and your hosts. After that is that,
TNS pink space the name of the database. Enter.
After that, so after that you want to click on SQL Plus. When you click on SQL Plus, it's going to ask you something like enter your username. So in my case, I'll put my username, and this is the username right here. So it's so you click on SQL Plus and it asks you for your username. So in my case, I'll put my username, which is
take out banana.
Fronted one. Put fronted one.
Banana is a capital letter
Mm-hmm.
because it's the name of the database. Okay. And enter, right?
Mm-hmm.
Password again.
When you put it should ask you for your
Password.
no, it shouldn't ask you for your password, it should tell you connected.
But here is
System Frontech one.
Add.
Banana.
At banana. Enter. Okay.
So it tells you connected, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what you want to do is you could do this using putty, but it's the same thing, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But we're using SQL. So now you want to check if your database is open and running. So you're gonna do select name from v dollar database, right? So it's just to make sure that. So you do something like select.
database semicolon. The name is database is there.
Select name from v dollar database.
Select status.
Just do select name from v dollar database. That's it. Okay. If it's there, that you have created a database manually.
Okay.
Thing we want to do, we want to make sure that our database, we're configuring it for recoverability.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So the first thing you want to do is create a location in the /, or a data called FRA.
Okay.
Right.
FRA is a tool, right?
FRA means flash recovery area.
Okay.
Flash, yes. So if you go to / or our data already, you will see it there because we had already created it. If you go to / or our data, you see FRA there. So you see all the database that I've recovered. I've recovered Candy, Desmond, DN, DMO, DN, DNSN, EMA, Export, and House, Mami. So these are the database that I've make sure that they can be recovered. / or our data, that's it down there. I've told you that when you click on that thing, this is it, right? You come on this big screen, you see everything there proper. So you see FRA there, right?
Yep.
So that FRA location is the location where all your things will be recovered to. So what you want to do is you want to go to Putty and make sure that the FRA, your new database is pointing to the FRA. Right? So I'm in it and I want to log into SQL.
Okay.
So you want to make sure that you're logged